Hi, my name is Jodie Andrews and I am the 2017 and 2018 Australian Newborn Photographer of the Year. Today we spent the day testing out the Godox V1 light. The very first setup we did today was an outdoors setup. With newborns, their sleep schedules are rather unpredictable and we often do sessions early in the morning, so we can't do golden hour early in the morning. So and the clients usually arrive around 9:30. Sun's too high, so we used the light to create our own golden hour. We took a gel and we added it to the front of the V1 and we set it in the back of some trees and made it look like it was golden hour. I like the V1 because it's light and it's portable. I have two studios, one on the New South Wales Central Coast and one in Killara in Sydney. I use the AD600 in my Central Coast studio, but when I'm travelling on the road I use the V1. It's easy, it's light, and I can just throw it in my camera bag and be set up in any location with an umbrella and start shooting. So today we did approximately 5 different setups and we were shooting from 9:30 this morning right through until about 2 o'clock this afternoon. The V1 was firing the whole time and it just didn't let up. It kept going, the battery power lasted and didn't miss a beat. With newborns, their skin is soft and delicate, so we need a light that matches that. And found the V1 was great. Previously I've used speed lights and I never thought about using them for newborn photography. But the V1, because it's a lithium battery, it just kept firing all day. So we were working from 9:30 until 2:30 this afternoon and it just kept on going. I was really happy with it, and it's a great portable light that I can just, it's lightweight and stick it in a camera bag, and it's not too heavy to hold. I can stick onto a light stand, I can take it out into the bush or any setup. I can take it down to the beach. It's just great. I just fall in love with their images, and it makes me just want to keep photographing more and more as I see their expressions on their face and tears rolling down their eyes. It's such a beautiful experience. Most people come into my studio and their baby is only 7 days old. They've barely been down the street to go and get groceries, let alone coming into a studio to have newborn photos. So it means the world to me that they've given up that time to come in and record their child's special moments. If you're looking for a portable light that's easy to use, that you can just put in your camera bag and it's affordable, go for the V1. It fires continuously and works efficiently, so especially for newborns.